This scatter is called be concise index of an element in an array. What do we have to do? Well, we get a list as an argument and an element, and we basically only have to return the index of the element that is passed into the function. If the element is not in the function, we only have to return not found. But the catch of the scatter is that it has to be as short as possible. Well, let's start. I've copied the test cases over, but apparently there's a problem. Name pi is not defined. Well, that's in the mat library. So from mat import pi. Having that out of the way, we can start. First of all, we need to find out if the element is in the list. So is the element in the array? True. Okay, so if this condition is met, we have to do something. Then we have to return the index. Now just return index as a string. We have to return the real index of the value hello world. How do we find it out? Well, the list, the array in our case, takes a built-in method .index. And as an argument, we pass in the value where we want the index from. In our case, we want to know what the index is of the element of hello world, and that should return 1. There we go. And if the element is not in the list, we just have to return a string. What was it? This one, not found. So if we put in something rubbish here, it should return not found. Okay, there we go. So this is basically what we have to do, but I guess it's not short enough. But let's test it out. Here in the left bottom, you see that we are dealing with 123 characters. What is the requirement? No more than 161. Well, that should be enough then. Let's attempt it. Your code length is 124, but your code should be less than 85 characters. Okay. So we have to shorten this. How can we shorten this? Well, as follows. We can return the index. Again, if the element is in the array, there's no way to circumvent this if statement. Else, we return not found. This one, not found. Let's test it again. 95. Okay, we should get rid of 10 other characters. Oh well, these variables are just made up. We can shorten these variables to just one character. So array can be replaced with an A, and element can be replaced with just an E. It's not understandable, but it's short. Okay, let's attempt it again. And there we go. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.